Hi guys, this is your girl Doreen, back with another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how I pre-poo my hair. Actually my wash day is in two parts. So I actually do my pre-poo on Friday nights. So I pre-poo overnight, and then on Saturday I wash my hair. Yesterday I was too tired to do it, so today I'll do the whole thing. So it's going to be a whole day affair. So I'm going to show you how I normally do my pre-poo, and the oil that I use that has helped me to grow my hair healthy. And yeah, so let's get started. So I normally use the Jamaican black castor oil, and I use the extra black, but unfortunately the shop where I normally buy my products, they didn't have the extra dark, so I settled for this Sunny Isle Jamaican oil. And yeah, so that's the one I use. And then I have my water with aloe vera, the freshly homemade aloe vera, which I made a few days ago. And I added a few drops of tea tree oil. Actually that's what is giving it a bit of color. So that's yeah, so there's only water, aloe vera gel, and a few drops of tea tree oil. All right, so that's what I'm going to use. Then I go through with the white comb, come through to detangle. My hair is quite soft. I did the 3-strand braids for the week, but it's always good to comb it through. Yeah, a chunky twist. And moving on to the next section, and I do the same on the next section. Okay, so I'll go ahead and do the rest of the head, and then I'll come back in a bit. Alright, so it's all done. Now I'm going to put plastic on it. And then I put my bonnet. As I do my chores, I'll leave it in for maybe half an hour or so, and then go ahead and wash my hair. So that's me, and thank you for watching my video. And so this is how I pre-poo my hair. That's it. Thank you for watching my video, and if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and please support your girl. Please support your girl. Please, please, please subscribe and hit that notification button so that every time I post a video, you'll be notified. All right, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.